Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to enable passkeys on X. Passkeys are a safer and easier way to log in without relying only on passwords, so this step-by-step guide will help you out how you can do that. First of all, make sure that you have opened up X application on your smartphone and also make sure you have the latest version of X installed on your device. From the home page of X after logging in, click on your profile icon at the top left corner. From your expanded menu that pops up on the screen, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Now, this will take you to the Settings menu from where you'll need to tap on Security and Account Access. Click on Security once again on the next page, and then you will see a passkey option at the bottom. Toggle on the button right next to passkey to enable it. Now, you'll need to enter your X account's password. To confirm that it is you, simply type it down and click on Confirm. Soon after you do that, on the next page, click on Create Passkey at the bottom. Now, on iOS, it may use Face ID or Touch ID, whereas on Android, it may use your fingerprint, screen lock, or Google account passkey. Go ahead and follow through the instructions according to your device's type, and you have successfully enabled passkey on X application. Now click on Done and the passkey will be registered. After you have enabled passkey, you can now log in securely without needing to type your password each time. And that's it. You've successfully enabled passkeys on X for safer and faster login. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.